Stop manually retyping data from PDFs. I'm about to show you the official built-in Excel feature that lets you pull a table or text from any PDF directly into your spreadsheet. First, open a blank worksheet in Excel. Now go to the Data tab, click Get Data, From File, From PDF. Then go to where your PDF is. Excel will analyze the file. A navigator window will pop up, showing all the tables it found in the PDF. Click on the PDF that you wanted, and under it is the table that you want. Once you've selected the right table, just hit the load button at the bottom. And just like that, your data is imported into a new perfectly structured Excel table, ready for you to work with. No copying, no pasting, and no retyping. If I just saved you a massive headache, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for more pro level tips. Did this work for you? Let me know in the comments or ask about any other Excel tricks you want to see. Thanks for watching. Now go get your data.